Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Shopify account. So once you're logged in, the first thing that you should do is cancel your Shopify store subscription. You'd like to go to settings at the bottom left. From there, you'll find yourself here. Click on plan on the left. And if you have any active plan membership, make sure to cancel it. For me, I'm still on the trial, so I have cancel trial here. But for you, you would have cancel subscription. Click on that, choose a reason, enter your password and confirm the cancellation, and this will immediately close your store. After that, you'll have your store being or becomes inactive and customers will not be able to access it. Now the store is deleted. You can, as an example, try to go and delete the Shopify account itself, but you'll not be able to do so because you can delete individual accounts without talking to support if they want to. They can assist you with that. And if you want even to permanently delete your data removal, especially for the GDPR, you must of course submit formal requests via the Shopify Help Center as well. So as a summary, you can go to settings, click on plan, click on cancel, and of course you'll have to choose your reasons. As you can see, cancel plan and stuff like that. You'll have to choose your region, accept and everything. And you should normally be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.